Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5 and that we'll see the exercise 7.3. So if A can complete some work in 6 days, B can complete the same work in 18 days and C in 9 days, how long will all three of them take to complete the work by working together? So here first thing what you have to remember here, if a person can do a piece of work in n days, it can be any number of days, n days means any number of days, then the work done by him in 1 day is going to be 1 by n of the work. So here we are going to follow this rule. So now here we have A's work per day because here it's given 6 days. So that is going to be 1 by n. For 1 day it is going to be, per day means 1 day. It's going to be 1 by 6. For n days means this is 6. Yeah, so this is going to be 1 by 6. So B's work per day is going to be, because it's given here same work in 18 days. So that is going to be 1 by 18. So this one, the C one, it's given 9 days. So this C's work per day is going to be 1 by 9. So they said, how long will all three of them take to complete the work by working together? So this is A plus B plus C's work, means this is all together. So you have to add these all three. So now you can see this is the addition here, and you can see the denominators are different. So you will take the LCM of that. That LCM is going to be 18. So here you have to multiply by 3. So since this is multiplied by 3, this also by 3. This is already we have here 18, and here will be 9 multiplied by 2 is going to be 18. So this also multiplied by 2. So this you know how to take the LCM. So now here this will be 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 18. So this is going to be 6 by 18. That is going to be 1 by 3. So they finished the work in, this will be, this is n. So that is going to be 3 days. So they finished the work in 3 days. Now it's given here, if tab A can fill a tank in 12 hours, tab B in 20 hours, and tab C can empty the tank in 30 hours. This is filled, this A and B, and this is going to be, C is going to be empty in 30 hours. How long after all of them are open together will the tank be full? So in 1 hour, A alone can fill, that is, this is given as 12, means that is going to be 1 by 12 of the tank. In 1 hour, B alone can fill, that is given as 20, means that is going to be 120 of the tank. And here they said C can empty the tank in 30 hours. So 1 hour, C can empty 1 by 30 of the tank. So now we have to see together. So what will you do? You will add for A and B, but you are going to subtract because this is going to be emptied. They said, well, this will be 1 by 30. So this you are going to add it. This is going to be minus 1 by 30 because it is going to be empty. So here now you can see the denominators are different. So you will take the LCM of that. So this is going to be, the LCM is going to be 60. So here 12 5s are. So here will be multiplied by 5. Here will be 23s are. So this also multiplied by 3. This is going to be 32s are. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So this is going to be 5 plus 3 minus 2 by 60, which is going to be 8 minus 2 is going to be 6 by 60, which will be 1 by 10. So tank fills in. This is n, that is going to be 10 hours. Tabs A and B can separately fill a tank in 6 hours and 3 hours, means A 6 hours and B is for 3 hours respectively. Tab C at the bottom of the tank can empty the tank in 4 hours. If all three are open, in how many hours will the tank be full? So in 1 hour, A can fill, that is given as 6 hours, means that is going to be 1 by 6 of the tank. In 1 hour, B can fill, that is going to be 1 by 3 of the tank. And in 1 hour, C can this is given as empty, that is going to be in 4 hours, means that is going to be 140 of the tank. So if all are open, how many hours will the tank be full? So what you are going to do, this put together, you are going to add it, and this is empty, means you are going to subtract minus 1 by 4. So now you can take the LCM of this is going to be 12. So 6 2s are, 3 4s are, and 4 3s are. Same here, whatever is here should multiply here. So this is going to be 2 plus 4 minus 3 by 12, which is going to be 6 minus 3 by 12, which will be 1 by 4, so tank fills in 4 hours. A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B in 30 days. They work together for 3 days and then B leaves. In how many days will A finish the remaining work? In one day A can do, that is given 20 hours, means that is going to be 120 of work. In one day B can do, this is given as 30 days, means that is going to be 130 of work. So we'll see first this together, how much do they work. So together is going to be 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So LCM of this is going to be 60. So this should be multiplied by 3. So this also by 3. For this one by 2. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So that will be 3 plus 2 by 60, which is going to be 5 by 60, will be 1 by 12. So work done in 3 days. Now we have to see this is for 1 day. Together is 1 by 12. So they said they work together for 3 days. So what will you do? 1 by 12 multiplied by 3, which is going to be 3 ones are 3 fours are, that is going to be 1 by 4. So now the remaining work. So remaining work will be, because they said, and then B leaves. So we have to see the remaining works from 1, that's 1 by 4 is gone. So that is going to be 3 by 4. If you don't know how to do this directly, we can just take this one. You have to multiply by 4, because whenever the numerator is a whole number, so always the denominator should be 1. So the LCM is going to be 4. So that will be 4 minus 1 by 4, which is going to be 3 by 4. Now A is work, and we can see the days. In 1, that is going to be, that is given as 20 days. So here will be this A's work. Suppose this we consider for 1 hour. This is 20 days. So this is going to be 3 by 4. How many days we don't know. So we are going to cross multiply. So this will be 3 by 4 into 20 divided by 1, means that doesn't make sense. So this will be 4 ones are 4 fives are. So this is going to be 50 days. So we can say A will finish the remaining work in 15 days. So here, why did we subtract? Again I will repeat, because the B leaves after 3 days. So here we have to subtract from 1 minus 1 by 4. This is the important step. A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. They work for 5 days and then B leaves. After working for 5 days, the B leaves. And how many more days can A complete the remaining work? So now here, in one day A can do, that is given as 12 hours, means that is going to be 1 by 12. In one day B can do, that is given as 20 days. So that is going to be 1 by 20. First we'll see together how much do they work. So that will be 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. So now we'll take the LCM of this one. So LCM is 60. So this should be multiplied by 5. This should be multiplied by 3. Same thing over here. This will be the same multiplied by here in the numerator. So this is going to be 5 plus 3 divided by 60, which is going to be 8 by 60. When you simplify this, you get 2 by 15. So now they are working for 5 days. So what will you do? 2 by 15 into, because work day, we have to see work done in 5 days. So 2 by 15 into 5. So after simplifying this, you get 2 by 3. So now what happens? They work for 5 days and then B leaves. So now remaining work will be from 1, you have to subtract minus 2 by 3. So again here, this is multiplied by 3, because here you can see 3. So the LCM is 3. So this will be 3 minus 2 by 3, which is going to be 1 by 3. So now A's work and days. So we have to see for in one day. So sorry for this one, 12 days. So here we'll write here 1, A's work 1, and number of days is 12. So this is 1 by 3 hours, and this is for 1 hour. So now 1 by 3 hours, that is going to be how much? So we are going to cross multiply this one. So 1 by 3 into 12 by 1. So either also you can write here 12 into 1 by 3, or you can write 1 by 3 into 12. Both is the same. So this will be, after simplifying, we get this 4 days. So A will complete the remaining work in 4 days. Now here A can complete a piece of work in 9 days, B in 12 days, and C in 18 days. After working together for 3 days, B falls sick. How long A and C take to complete the work? So in one day, A can do, that is given as 9 days, 1 by 9. In one day, B can do, that is 1 by 12 of work. In one day, C is given, that is given 18. So that is 1 by 18. So this is all together. So this will be, you are going to add this all So now here the LCM is 36. So this should be multiplied by 4, this by 3, and this by 2. Same thing in the numerator. So this is going to be 4 plus 3 plus 2 by 36, which is going to be 9 by 36. So which will be 1 by 4. So now this was for 1 day. So now work done because they are working together for 3 days. So for 3 days, it's going to be 1 by 4 into 3, which will be 3 by 4. So now here what happens here, B falls 6. So from 1 minus this 3 by 4. So the remaining work is going to be from 1 minus 3 by 4. Now again we will take the LCM here because here is 4. So 1 into 4. And so this is going to be 4 minus 3 by 4. That is going to be 1 by 4. So now you have to see because the B falls sick, right? So now we have to see A plus C's work. So now this is, what is here? 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18. So A plus C's work is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18. So here the LCM is going to be 18. So after simplifying this, you get 2 plus 1 by 18, which is going to be 3 by 18, which will be 1 by 6. So now we can see A plus C's work and the number of days. So in 1 hour, that is given, this is 1 by 6. So that is going to be 1 by 6. So we want for, this is the remaining work we have seen, that is 1 by 4. So this is the important step. So here 1 by 4, how many number of days we have to see. So we will cross multiply over here. So now this is going to be 1 by 4 into 6 divided by 1. So that will be here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means that is going to be 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. So this will be 1. So that will be 1 integer 1 by 2 days. So we can say A and C will take 1.5 days to complete the work. A, B, C together can do a piece of work in 3 days. A can do it in 6 days and B can do it in 8 days. How long will C take to do it alone? So in 1 day, A, B, C and can do, that is 1 by 3 of work. So one day, A can do, that is given 6 days, 1 by 6 of day, this one work. In 1 day, B can do, that is given as 1 by 8 of work because in 8 days. And in 1 day, C can do, we don't know how long does C take. So what will you do here? So from this one, because this is together, they are doing 1 by 3. So from 1 by 3, you are going to subtract this one. So you are going to put this together, or also you can do one thing. You can also write this one 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 also. But sometimes for some of them, this is a confusion. So what you are going to do, this together, you are going to add it, but that is going to be subtracted later on. You are going to put the next step, as I told you. That is, after solving this bracket, you get this step. So you can do it anyways. So here will be, this is the next step what I told you. So now this is going to be, the LCM of this is going to be 24. So this should be multiplied by 8, this by 4 and this by 3. So this is going to be 8 minus 4 minus 3 by 24. So that is going to be 1 by 24. So we can say C alone takes, that is 24 days to do the work. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.